Oh my God, who's so excited?
Me!
Why are you so excited today, Zuza? Because of this?
Wow.
Ooh. That really does look like fun. What do we need to do? We need to pour water in, and then you're gonna jump on it? Wow, that looks super fun. Jump, splash, and slide. Okay, let's take it outside and put some water in.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, you're gonna carry it? Hello! Come back! Okay, you got this?
No, it's super heavy.
It's super... I thought you got some muscles on you. Here? Okay, I'm gonna take it. Okay, come help me. Help me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's take it outside. Okay. Okay. We have this. Go ahead, put it out on the grass, and we just need to fill it out with water. Okay, open it up. Let's put it out here. Wow, Zuza, it's so big. Open it up. Oh, good job. Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Awesome!
Zuza, it's so big. You already running? This is gonna be fun when we put water in.
Yay! Do it.
No, we don't have to blow it. We just need to pour water here. Right here. The water is going in. This is gonna be fun, huh?
Awesome!
Oh, that's gonna take so long to fill it up. We're gonna have to wait a little. You can go jump. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No, you're not. You're not gonna catch me. Ah. Yeah, let me see. Wow, some crazy stuff. You okay? Okay, ready? I fell. Okay. Oh, static. Static. I think it's ready. You gonna go try it? Let's see, it's almost full. Wow. Look how huge this is.
Wow!
What do you think? You like it? Yeah, you can sit on it. You can lay down. You gonna try it out? Whoa! How is it? The sound it makes, you hear it?
Little fish swimming in the sea, looking for fun like you and me. Something is behind him, but he doesn't see. Oops,
Is
he
it
was
cold?
caught by a big fish. Big, big fish swimming in the sea, looking for fun like you and me. Something is behind him, but he doesn't see. Oops, he was caught
Zuza,
by
looks
a
like
big,
fun.
big shark. Big, big shark swimming in the sea, looking for fun like you and me. Something is behind him, but he doesn't see.
Super
Oops,
cool.
he was caught by a
Zuza, are you
killer
thirsty?
wave. Killer wave swimming in the sea, looking for fun like you and me. Something is behind him, but he doesn't see. Oops, he was caught by a whaling ship. Yeah, he was caught by a whaling
Zuza, do you like
ship.
it? 2 thumbs up? Wow, the turtle looks so cool.
Hello.
Where's the whale? The whale's still there? Is he gonna bite you? Are you sure? Wow, and the whale. Where's the octopus?
Hello.
The octopus is there. And who else are we missing? The fish is here.
Hello.
That's a good fun. Thanks for